Hello student, let's discuss the next section of chapter 5, that is chance and probability. First to discuss the chance. In a rainy season there may be chances of rain or not. Okay. Taking raincoat on cloudy day because there are chances of rain. Suppose I flip a coin, there may be chances of head or tail. So total possible outcomes is here 2, head and tail. 2 outcomes there, total possible outcomes is here 2. So a random experiment is one whose outcome cannot be predicted exactly in advance. Suppose I flipped a coin, I can't predict the outcomes. Either I may get head or tail. In a dice, it has 6 faces. Each faces having marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and total possible outcomes in a dice is here 6. So total possible outcomes is 6 when you roll the dice. When you roll the dice, what is the probability of getting the outcome 2? Here it is the formula probability, number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes is that what we want. So probability appearance of 2, outcome probability to getting outcome 2 is 1 by 6. Here 1 is the appear 1 2 appearance 1 in time. So number of outcomes giving 2 divided by number of equally likely outcome. 2 एक डाइस में एक ही बार है तो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम 1 हुआ एंड टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम इज 6. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग आउटकम 4? नंबर ऑफ आउटकम गिविंग 4 divided by number of equally likely outcomes. So number of outcome giving 4 is 1 and total outcome 6. So probability be 1 by 6. Event, one or more outcome of an experiment make an event, or the collection of outcomes make an event. Suppose I roll the dice. What is the outcomes? 6. There are 6 outcomes. So 6 is the collection of 6 is the event. So event is a collection of outcomes. Next, when a dice is thrown, list the outcomes and probabilities of the event of getting a prime number 2, 3, 5. These are the 3 prime number and probability be 3 by 6. When you write its simplest form, it will 1 by 2. एक डाइस में 3, 2, 3, 5 तीन ही प्राइम नंबर हैं तो प्रोबेबिलिटी है 3 by 6. अ नंबर नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर 1, 4, 6. These 3 are not a prime number. So probability be 3 by 6. When in simplest form we can write 1 by 2. Okay. Next, number greater than 5. 6. 6 नंबर ग्रेटर 5 से ज़्यादा 6 ही एक बार है तो प्रोबेबिलिटी है 1 by 6. या 6 appear 1 time. So number greater than, not greater than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the outcomes and probability भी 5 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers हैं तो 5 divided by total is 6. So 5 by 6. Next, a number 1 to 10 are written in a 10 separate slip and kept in a box and mixed well. These are the slip and mixed well. We have to find out the probability of getting a number 6. So there are 10 slip in a box. However, 6 is written only on one slip. So probability of getting number 6 is 1 by 10. 6 एक ही बार है स्लिप में तो 1 by total outcomes 10. 1 by 10. Getting a number less than 6. Number less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and probability of getting number less than 6 be 5 by 10. Total outcomes is here 10. So 5 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 2. When you write it in simplest form, it will 1 by 2. Okay. नेक्स्ट, गेटिंग ए नंबर ग्रेटर देन 6, 6 से ज़्यादा कौन कौन नंबर्स हैं, क्या क्या नंबर्स हैं, 7, 8, 9, 10, these are the four numbers, so probability be 4/10, sorry, probability of getting number greater than 6 be, there are 4 numbers greater than 6, so 4/10, that we simplest form we can write 2/5. Okay. नंबर गेटिंग अ 1 डिजिट नंबर, 1 डिजिट नंबर एक वो ही स्लिप में कितने बार है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 9 10 2 डिजिट नंबर है, सो नंबर 1 डिजिट नंबर 1 to 9 है, सो 1 डिजिट नंबर्स आर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so probability of getting one number be 9/10, there are 9 numbers there, so 9/10. Next is find the probability of getting an S from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing card. There are 4 S's of a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, so there are 52 cards in a deck of cards, and there are 4 S's card in one deck of cards, so probability of getting an S card be 4 S's are there and total number of card is 52, so 4/52, that is in simplest form you can write 1/13. Okay. Next, probability is the study of chance of occurring of a particular event, and chance is something that is taken in everyday life. These are the summary and the last section of chapter 5. Okay, and I've done some numbers of exercise 5.3 in this section, so keep practicing student. Thank you.